What's going on, guys? It's McLovin Fishing. Today I'm going to be adding feathers to my treble hook for my Magdraft, and it's a relatively simple mod. All you need is feathers, this fancy tool called a bobbin, some super glue, scissors, and let's get started, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is wrap some thread around the shank of the hook, and what that does is keep the feathers from sliding off once you start tying the feathers on. So take your white saddle hackle, and I like to do a couple wraps around each feather just to make sure they're locked on. And the reason I do this is, for some reason, bass like to target feathers, and so adding feathers onto a treble hook will ensure that you have a better hookup ratio and just something for bass to key in on and target. So once I tied on the white saddle hackle, I clean up the edges, make it look nice. And then the next step, it gets a little tricky. So for the red saddle hackle, just tie on the very end of it for now. And what you're doing with this is you're going to be wrapping it around sideways, going towards the eye of the hook. And what this does is make it look like the fish is bleeding out from the belly. You can see it gets a little tricky. Just make sure you're not over wrapping on any feathers so you have a full profile to the feather treble. So once that's done, wrap around a few times. And what I like to do is make a loop with my fingers, twist it a few times, go around the shank of the hook, and then pull it tight. And that keeps anything from unraveling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip, and hopefully you guys are able to do this on your own treble hooks. Let me know what you guys think about this swim bait tip down below in the comments section, and if you like this video, throw me a thumbs up and subscribe.